So OnePlus just had their event. They talked about the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro and some accessories, and I have some thoughts that I would like to share with you because I've always been very interested in OnePlus as a company. I've used a lot of their products over the years, and I think the way that they approach the entire smartphone industry is very interesting by making a very cheap phone with very good specs and year by year increasing the price of the phone and improving on smaller and smaller things along the way in order to make what they now call a flagship phone. And they're charging flagship prices for that phone. The OnePlus 8 Pro can be purchased, the edition with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage and some very cool colors, to be honest. That one can be purchased for 1,019 euros. That's unheard of for OnePlus, and it's unheard of for a company that, if you think about it, when launched the OnePlus One, it came in at around 300 euros. But in my opinion, that doesn't take anything from this OnePlus 8 Pro. Now, you know how I think. Most people, when purchasing a phone, look at a screen, look at a camera, and look at a battery life maybe, and that's everything they care about. And to me, software is very, very important. And along the years, OnePlus is always trying to tweak their software with just a tunnel vision with speed. So in the beginning, that means just running a stock Android version, and over the years they've added tiny features here and there and improving the entire stock Android experience. And currently it's probably my favorite Android skin, or my favorite flavor of Android, just side by side with the Pixel. It's everything from the way that things look to the way that things feel. It's just a great looking Android skin. So to me, it's a big plus for the software side. Now, most people look at the screen and it's looking like it's the best screen available now, even edging the S20 Ultra that I've been reviewing for the past month and should be making a video on this channel very soon. But apparently it's even better than that, which is just mind-boggling. And the biggest Achilles heel on the OnePlus lineup, if you were to ask anyone, that would be the lack of wireless charging. Now they have it on the OnePlus 8 Pro only with their new charging dock for fast wireless charging. That part is proprietary, but the phone is compatible with normal Qi 5-watt charging, which is slow, but you know, small steps, I think. But if you want to top up your phone in a wireless charging, a simple 5-watt Qi charger will be enough to top up the phone during the night. The second most common complaint is the lack of an IP rating on the phone. Now they have it, it's IP65 rated. Maybe that was one of the reasons why they took out the pop-up camera. I'm not sure. I quite enjoy the pop-up camera. And the last thing that people always complain about OnePlus phones is the camera. And from first impressions, from pictures that people that currently have the phone took already, it's looking like a major upgrade compared to last year. The camera is one of the most important things for you, but not super important to the point of going for a Pixel or maybe going for an iPhone 11 Pro. If camera is very important, then this year's OnePlus 8 Pro will definitely be competitive. Now, these days, cameras are really good in a lot of different devices. They always have small little things that one is better than the other, but for your average person, the S20 camera, the OnePlus 8 Pro camera, the Pixel camera, the iPhone camera, all of those are very good cameras, but you'll always hear people talk about things that they prefer in a camera, like the way they handle color, the way that they record video, all these small things that hopefully, if I can get my hands on one of these OnePlus 8 Pros for a review, I would definitely like to test it, because it's looking like a mighty powerful phone with mighty powerful specs all around. That, to me, it's probably gonna be my favorite Android experience this year, but hopefully I can get my hands on one to test it, and I'll sure bring a review. So yeah, that's been it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this new slightly different angle if you're watching the channel. Yeah, bye. And oh well, this thing will not work because you know the camera is much further away.